Guys, here we are, part 2, fishing on the full moon. We just got set up. We went and caught some bait about 7 p.m. We're going to try and fish till 11 or midnight tonight to see how it goes. We're going to go ahead and anchor up because what we had this morning we did not have any current. We did some spot and drag. This evening we are set up on some current. They're running 28,000. Water temperature since throughout the day it has gone up. What is the water temperature? 87. The water temperature is now 86. But we are in the same spot that we finished at this morning, anchored up, and we're going to go ahead and get these baits out and give it a try and see what happens next. Hopefully next time you see us, guys, we'll be catching a fish. It's been about an hour. We were anchored up for a little while. We didn't have a lot of success anchoring, but we did have one rod bend over in half, dang near hit the water. Big fish let go. I mean, that thing, there was no warning or anything. It just bowed over. And then as fast as it went down, as fast as it came up. So we had a really big fish takedown. They didn't get on it. We pulled up the bait. It wasn't double hooked. It was hooked properly. We don't know what the issue is. So we just started dragging along this channel ledge here. And we're going to drag all the way up here until it gets too dark, and then we got a couple places we want to anchor out at after it gets dark. Right now there's a lot of lake traffic. We're not sure how that affects us. The sun is just about to go down. Spin you guys around here and take a look. The sun is just about to go down off the horizon. You guys can see all the different lakes. So hopefully once that sun goes away, we're in good shape. We've been marking a good fish, but again, guys, you can see we're running this ledge right here all the way up, and there's some good fish on the bottom. So 85 degrees, nighttime's coming. Not sure how good I'll be able to film at night. We'll turn the lights on, but we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. Full moon fishing in the evening. Hip. I think he's fighting pretty good. Good fish. Let him pull. Let him pull. Did you see the bat fly by?
Yep. First I thought there was a bird.
Yes. Pull up and reel down, nice and easy. Nice and easy. He pulls, just let him pull. Yeah. There you go. We don't have a net on the boat, by the way, guys. Yeah, there he goes. Big fish. Jeez. Big fish.
Okay, I'm increasing. I'm going from 10 to 20.
There it is. Side scan. Yeah, fish. There he is. Big blue. Big
That's
blue.
A nice fish.
Nice and easy. Yeah, just nice and easy.
I'm just about 50.
Big blue. Nice and easy. Don't reel anymore. Don't reel anymore. Keep him in the water. Right there. There's your rod tip right there. Show my camera back. There you go. Can you pick it up? Yeah. Okay. Alright, Alex, get in there and pick it up. Yep. Hold that light up, bud. Oh, wow. Hold it up. There you go.
Make him look good.
Oh, shit. He almost went in the water.
Don't go in the water now.
Why not?
Here, step down. Because we'll meet you in the water.
Well, that thing looked big.
Alright, guys. 8 o'clock this morning.
Alright, guys. We're out here night fishing and
full moon night fishing.
Yeah, full moon. Moon's not out yet, funny enough. I don't know what happened to all the bugs. And I got my buddy out here, and we were just sitting all sitting here relaxing, relaxing outside of school, right? And this rod just goes over. Well, it didn't go over. We got the bales open with the clickers on, and clicker just starts running.
Where's the yellow rag?
Somewhere right here. So
There he is one last time. Hold on a second. Hey. All right. Let him go.
Yep, and the bug.
Do you want to get the release on Phil?
That's all right. Just let him go. All right, guys. The moon finally came up. It's now, what, 11:30 midnight? We are going to head in. We caught that one big blue cat out here, and that is it. So our fishing in the full moon, we did better this morning. Caught more fish this morning. Caught 3 this morning. Caught 1 this evening. And we didn't catch that one until super late at night. So, guys, it's been a good trip. We've had a good time. A bunch of us out here. Like us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And check us out, buddy. Tight lines, guys.